Release Update 89 by ChemWatch. New features to your ChemWatch system include Korean MSDS number for Korean SDS. Green Edit accessibility to new sections of the SDS. An option to add risk assessment and mini SDS in DGen label generator. URL for risk assessment report. Ability to view vendor SDS before linking to container. Korea Reach registration number added to Credo/Authority. Users can now add the Korean MSDS number to their Korean SDS through Credo or Authority and data extraction. Green Edit accessibility to new sections of the SDS. SDSs authored in Credo or Authority can now edit the following SDS sections: persistence and degradability, bioaccumulative potential, mobility in soil, and have these modifications stored permanently. URL for risk assessment report. Users could generate an external link for a material from the download and render a risk assessment report through the link. New P331 phrase if material is classified as acute oral toxicity. DOT placarding disclaimer statement only displays if SDS has a UN or NA number. New combined data point for EUH supplementary codes and statements in DGen Lab. Clients can now display GHS supplementary codes and phrases by choosing the custom field label element and selecting GHS supplementary codes and phrases gold under Regulatory in DGen Lab. View vendor SDS before linking to container. Users can now view vendor SDSs before linking to the container. This accurately links the SDS. Countries under GHS revision 6/7 will now generate H222 plus H229 when there are 11 or 12 risk codes and UN 1950 assigned. Update to Japan's SDS PRTR substance requirements. New chemicals were added to the April 2023 list, others were removed and some were reclassified. ChemWatch updates reflect PRTR chemical changes for the Japan SDS. Update to Japan's PDSCL poisonous substance requirements. Changes were made to Japan's Poisonous and Deleterious Substances Control Law, PDSCL, list of substances in May 2023. The ChemWatch system reflects PDSCL chemical changes for the Japan SDS. ChemWatch has updated the SDS template for Colombia to comply with new Colombian regulations. Hazard codes in Section 2 of the SDS are now displayed in ascending numerical order. Section 8.2.2 PPE icons modified in edit mode are applied to all languages. Statement added when diisocyanates percent weight is greater than or equal to 0.1% for Europe SDSs. Correction of mixture WGK value calculation logic for German SDSs. The water hazard class score in German SDSs is now calculated for a substance as a whole. Subsection numbers for Section 14 are now included in the GHS SDS template. Section 14 in an SDS following the GHS format has the subsection numbers hard-coded for all modes of transport, land, air, sea, similar to the REACH SDS template. United Kingdom (NI), country name changed to Northern Ireland, UK. The change has been implemented to all the country drop-downs across the ChemWatch system. Australia adopts H350A, Cat 1A/1B, as part of hazard code building blocks. We have now included H350I in the Australian hazard codes building blocks based on the information given in the WHS Classifying Hazardous Chemical National Guide. Korea Reach registration number added to Credo or Authority. A new tab has been introduced for the Korea Reach number input field in the Reach registration number, similar to the addition of registration numbers for the EU, UK, and Turkey jurisdictions. Update to Brazil SDS transport regulation. The dangerous goods transport data for the Brazil SDS has been updated to comply with the regulatory updates announced by the Brazilian National Land Transport Agency in June 2023. For more information on how these changes affect you, contact your ChemWatch account manager or email us at customerservice@chemwatch.net.